A very good morning, parents and my dear children. Today I have come with letter Q. This is Mama Q and this is baby Q. Q says Q. Q says Q. Phonetic sound. Q says Q. Q says Q. Q for queen. See, this is a very beautiful queen. She's wearing a crown. She's wearing a beautiful robe and a gown, and she's sitting on the throne, and she's writing something with a pen which has a quill on it. And okay, so Q says queen. Q for quail. Quail is a bird. Quail is a bird. Q says Q. 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 Q for queen and Q for quail. They start with letter Q. Q for queen. So focus on the sound of the letter Q. What is the sound? Q says Q, and recite the rhyme representing the sound of letter Q. Q. Q says 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 Q. Q Q Q. Q Q Q. Okay, so this is on page 2424. Now you come to page 2525, and over here is written read aloud. Read aloud means खूब जोरे कोरे पढ़ते हो. Read माने you have to read loudly. जोर से पढ़ने. Quiet. See this baby boy. He's got a finger on his lips. Finger on his lips means when you come to school, ma'am will say no talking. Keep quiet. Chupcha. Quiet. Q for quilt. Q for quilt. Q for quilt. This is a quilt. Now winter is arriving. You all need a quilt to cover yourself, to keep yourself warm and cozy, and you'll have a nice sleep. Q for queue. Q for queue. Q for queue. This is an arrow, and this is a case of an arrow where you keep this all the arrows in the queue. And the hunter, when he goes for hunting in the jungle, he carries a queue, bow and arrow. So these are arrows are kept in a queue. Q for quill. Q for quill. Q for quill. This is the feather of a bird, but one like this we will say Q for quill. Q for quail. Q for quail. Quail is a bird. Quail is a beautiful bird. See, something on his head. Quail. Quail is a bird. Quail is a beautiful bird. See, something on his head. He's got like a crown type, and it's a beautiful bird. Q for quail. So encourage the child to identify the picture by the name. Q for quiet. Q for quilt. Q for queue. Q for quill, and Q for quail. Now 24 over, 25 over with the phonetics and the vocabulary. Okay, now we turn to page 2626. Please read the instructions carefully and explain your child. Look at the pictures. See, there are 4 pictures. Look at the pictures. Color the ones whose name begin with the sound of letter Q. With the letter Q. So this is Q for quail. You will color, and you will color Q for quilt. But this is a hat. Sorry, this is a cap. This is O for orange, C for cap. So you will not color O for orange. You will not color C for cap. You will color the pictures related to Q. So you will take a brown color and you will color the bird brown color. Okay, whatever color they feel like your child likes to color this quail, any color they feel like, and then they can color accordingly. Okay, done. After then they will come back to this Q for quilt. Q for quilt. Quilt is a, what is a quilt? You cover yourself like you have a blanket, you have a bed sheet, but this quilt we use in winter. We use in winter to color. Cover, to keep ourselves warm. So any color they feel like they can color. So Q for quail and Q for quilt they will color. Now we come to page 2727. Page 2727 says, look at the pictures, circle the quails with Q, capital Q, Mama Q you will circle, and tick the ones with small q. Baby Q you will tick, and capital Mama Q you will circle. So this is, ask a child, what is this? This is letter Q. Q says Q. Is this capital Q? Mama Q? Yes. So they will circle. This is Mama Q, circle. This is small q, baby q, they will tick mark. What is this? This is mama q. No, this is baby q, tick mark. This is mama q or small q. Ask a small q or mama q. No, this is baby q. So you will tick mark. So done, page 2727. Now we come to page 2828, capital letter Q. Now what can you see in the picture? This is a quill. So I have colored with a pink color. Whatever color you like, you color. Okay. Now we come with the formation of letter Q. There's a big circle and then a slanting line. A big circle and a slanting line. Now you take your index finger, right hand index finger, and help your child to keep it on the formation of letter Q, and they will draw a circle and a slanting line. Draw and a slanting line. Draw a circle and a slanting line. So just I'm going to do one for you. A circle and a slanting line. Now page 28, it's capital Q, mama Q. Now we come to page 2929. Page 2929, it's small letter Q, quail I have colored. Whatever color your child feels like, your favorite color, they will color the quail. Quail is a bird. So they will Q for quail. Now the formation, small letter Q, they will make a round and come down straight and a portion like a V. So take your index finger and then make a round and then you go down and OB. So help your child trace thrice and then let them hold the pencil and then they will do this. Small letter Q, make a round, go up. No need to remove the pencil. Slowly come down and make a V. Again, make a round and go up, come down and V. Okay, so this is small letter Q, this is baby Q. Okay, so you will follow the correct formation and do the work neatly. Till then, have a good day. Bye. God bless you all.